Welcome back to Programming with Waqas. In my previous video, I told you about function call by using objects. You can pass object by value or by reference. So in today's tutorial, I will tell you about friend functions. So in last video, when I run this code by using here direct obj.id, so this id and name are basically private, so you cannot access these variables directly by using dot operator here. So let's run this code again. So you can see here error. So let's make this function as a friend of this class. So what is meant by friend? A friend can use your things without any permission. So they can use your things. So let's make this function friend. So just copy the header of this function and paste the header inside the class, put semicolon here. So now this is the prototype of this function. So just write here friend. So after making this function as a friend, now the function definition is basically outside the class, but here in this function this obj can access directly this id and name. So let's run this code. So you can see here 15 and 12. So basically there were two calls, call at line number 54 and call at line number 57. So what if I change the value of this id by using this obj? So basically you are passing here the reference of obj t, and the reference will go into this obj. Whenever you will write here obj dot id is equal to 15, let's suppose, or 100, so the previous value of this id will be changed to the new value of this id 100. So you can write here constant. By writing here constant, you cannot change here the value of this id. So let's suppose without this constant, let's change the value of this id. obj.id is equal to 100. So let's call here cout obj t dot get id. So you will see that the value of obj t id, which was 12, it will be changed after the execution of this function, and the new value will be 100. As you can see here, the new value is 100. Similar case with obj t2. So if you want to stop this overriding means you are storing the new value at the place of previous value. So you can stop this by using constant keyword here before this test reference obj. So basically this reference variable is now constant, so you cannot change the value by using this line number 59 statement. So you can just access the values directly by using the friend function. Now if you have put this constant at this place, so you can see here. So basically if you write constant here, so you should have to write constant here too, because the prototype of this function should be same as the definition. So now you can see the value is same 15, and no one can change the value of IDs by using this display function. So I hope so guys you are clear about this friend function. So same as friend functions, there are some friend classes. You can use friend classes as well. That means that classes can access the data members of each other directly by using their respective objects. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like this video, and if you have any question, so please write it into the comment section. I will answer your questions as soon as possible.